Hey guys, good evening. My name is Chamaka of Margarine Cakes and Pastries. So today I'll be teaching you guys on how to create different highlights for your Instagram page. So let's get down to business, guys. So the first thing you need to do is what? Go to your Instagram. Now this is my Instagram page, and then you go to your your bio, click on it. Now this is it here. You can see different highlights on my page. I have for budget friendly cakes, I have for on-site classes, I have online classes, I have testimonial, I have lots and lots of highlights, just to make life easy for my customers. So that's the essence of this highlight. And of course it's more like a website on your Instagram page. So some customers get to see your highlights. If you have different, they get to see different kinds of cake you have on your highlight page. For me, I've sold classes with my highlight. I've sold different kinds of cake products on my highlight. So like I said, it's more like a website. So if you don't have a highlight on your page, it's very, very important for you to create them on your Instagram page. So for those that don't know how to do such, that's the essence of me doing this video for all of you. Now this is it here. All you need to do was go to the plus sign, click on this plus sign. When you click on it, and then different pictures pops out. Now all these pictures you're seeing here are from my Instagram archive stories. So let's say if you want to create a cake loaf, now there's no really cake loaf here, and let's say if I want to create a cake loaf, I have to go and post the cake loaf on my stories. After I post it on my stories, or after you have posted it on your stories, then you set them to your highlights, and then they appear here, so that by the time you click on this plus sign, you are actually going to see it. Okay, so I hope you understand that part. Now I want to create a cupcake highlight. Do you understand? I want to create a cupcake highlight for my on my Instagram page. Now, like I said, you click on the plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, these are my cupcakes. So whereby my customers can actually go to my page to see different kind of samples of cupcakes. Now I'm going to click on all these cupcakes you are actually seeing here now. I'm going to click on everything, and then I click on 4 cupcakes. The next is this one. I click on next, and then it says edit cover. Edit cover means you're trying to put in or put out different designs of covers. So some business owners use more like a flower design. Some designs that edit cover using an app. So they just need to input it into this place. And then for me, I use my logo. Do you understand? So I'm going to use my logo to put as my cover anyway. So you click on edit cover. And then you click on this. I don't know if you can see it. It's very close to this picture. Click on which is the gallery. Click on your gallery here, and then I'm going to use my logo. Like I said, click on my logo, and then it appears this way. So if you like, you can adjust it the way you want it. You can drag it side by side, up and down, whichever way you want. And then I'm okay with this one. Click on next, and that is it. So you click on done. And then it says type. This area means type something. So because it's cupcake, I'm going to type cupcake. So if yours is loaf, you type in loaves. So you type in cake loaf, or if you're selling slices, you can type in slice, whatever thing you're selling anyway. So I designed the cupcake highlight on my page, and I'm typing cupcake. So, and I'm done with this. The next thing is I click on done, and that is it, guys. So let me go back now. Let's see how it is. So you can see it has appeared here, cupcakes. So if a first person comes to my page and wants to buy a cupcake, instead of him or her trying to scroll up and down, trying to search for cupcakes, just because he or she can't see a cupcake, all he can do is come to my highlight to see there's cupcake pictures, and then he or she comes to my page to see, okay, this is a cupcakes, and then he click on it, or she clicks on it, and then there's a different design comes out. So with this, he or she can be able to take a quick decision to buy the cupcakes or not. So that's how guys, that's how to create highlight for your Instagram page, and I hope you got value. I hope you understood this simple tutorial on how to create a highlight. So if you do, kindly give it a like, drop your comments, and thank you for watching. And